Hi, it's David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 The Realty Group, and I'm excited to show you this one-of-a-kind renovation at 2714 Bethel Baptist Road in Spring Lake, North Carolina. Convenient to Fort Liberty and Fayetteville. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. That's the number 4. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. And you can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition today. Lots to point out. You get some acreage with this property. So that's a nice bonus coming with some land. You can see we're a good distance from the road there. There's the driveway. I have lots of features to point out to you today. Brand new roof. Gutters. Huge front porch. Brick wall here, pretty brick veneer, some fresh landscaping there. Another look at the front porch with some fans. And let's go inside. So much is brand new here. Again, the roof, ductwork, flooring, fixtures, paint, and much more that I'll show you. Here's the foyer. And the living room. I love this brick stack around the fireplace here. Truly one-of-a-kind property. Next is the kitchen. It's completely brand new. Breakfast nook here, LVP flooring, breakfast bar, subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, big sink there. And a closer look. Some more cabinet counter space here. Closet for laundry. Looking back at the foyer we came through. And the view from the kitchen. Next, a spacious family room. Followed by this bonus room. Some chair rail and crown molding. And also built-ins on this wall. Take a look at this epic brick patio. It is covered. This is huge. Imagine hanging out here, relaxing or entertaining. Some woods to the rear of the property. Some storage sheds and some carports. And looking back at the covered patio. There's so much to like about this property. And we're going to go down the hallway next. for some bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Brand new vanity, matching the kitchen. Some track lighting there. New toilet and the shower. Fans and blinds throughout the house. Some more bedrooms. We just passed the linen closet. And the owner's suite. Here's the closet. And the bathroom, brand new toilet. New vanity. And the shower. Thanks so much for watching the tour. Give me a call, 910-723-888 to see this or any house for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.